So, in writing today, we're going to be talking more about adverbs. So just like we did yesterday, we are going to do a workbook page together. And then I'm actually going to have you do another page on your own, okay? So today, open up to page 201. This is on 201. Hit pause if you need to get there. And we are going to do these examples together. So today, on today's worksheet, we are looking at adverbs that help tell us how and where. So those are kind of like our clues for today. So it will answer the question how or where. So the man went upstairs. What tells us how or where he went? It tells us, it doesn't tell us how, but it tells us where he went. Where did he go? Upstairs. So there is our adverb. Let's look at number 2. I think you guys are, sorry, I should follow along. You will circle the adverb and write it on that line there, okay? So the word that I'm underlining, you're gonna circle it and then write it on the line, okay? So if you wanna pause in between each example to do that, you can go ahead and do that. So now, number 2, the dog followed him closely. So it doesn't say where, but it does say how. How did the dog follow him? Closely, right? And a little tip, pretty much any word that ends with ly, L-Y, is an adverb. So that's a fun little clue that'll help you out. Let's look at number 3. Buzz is here. It tells us where, right? Where is Buzz? Here, right? And the last one, he watched the fly carefully. So it's going to answer how he watched the fly. How did he watch the fly? Carefully. Okay, so now we are going to do the bottom 2 problems kind of together. And then I'm going to have you guys do your next page totally on your own, okay? So for numbers 5 and 6, it says complete each sentence, write an adverb that tells how or where. So number 5, it says the leaf floated blank down the stream. We are going to put a word in there that tells us how it's doing that, right? So maybe we could use the word gently. Or we could almost do like row, row, row your boat and say merrily down the stream. Or roughly, right? Because, you know, if it's not a gentle stream. So fill in the blank with one of those words or one that you come up with on your own. And number 6, Jose stores his new boat, maybe we could say here or there, right? Those are adverbs that are telling us where. So you can go ahead and fill one of those words in on that blank. Now turn to page 211. I'll write that down. Page 211. And up at the top, it gives you some examples. Let's read through them together. So, well, it says adverbs can tell how, where, when, or how much. So it says Buzz ran quickly. So that's telling us how he ran. Buzz ran here. Well, that one's telling us where. Buzz ran yesterday. That tells us when. And Buzz ran a lot. That tells us how much, right? So now you guys are going to add in your own adverbs for these sentences here. So it says, flies find food, and you need to tell us where. Use an adverb telling us where. So maybe you could say, flies find food here, or flies find food there. Okay, so you're gonna keep the sentence the same, but add in one of those adverbs. Number 2, Fly Guy chewed a leaf. And we need to add in when. So he chewed a leaf today. He chewed a leaf yesterday. Okay, you can put that in the blank, and you'll do that for the rest of them. I'll read you the sentences. So number 3, it says he chewed, and you're going to tell us how. And number 4, he ate, and you're going to tell us how much. And if you're stuck, you can use some of these examples up at the top, okay? All right, guys, good luck and have fun.